Hello, Merfrotto here. Today I want to show you an easy and economic way to change the Mercedes GLS450 rear wiper blade. If you own the GLS for a couple years, you'll start noticing the rear wiper blade will start to fall apart, and I'll show you an easy way to change this wiper blade today. The replacement blade I will use today is the Bosch rear wiper, and you can find that the model number is H301. This is 300 millimeters. I got this from Amazon. Instead of the Mercedes sign here, you will get the Bosch sign. You can see that this is identical, and you can just replace it pretty easily. Okay, so first you want to pivot the wiper blade arm up. You'll notice that this is actually two pieces, the wiper blade arm and the wiper blade itself. And to replace with the new wiper blade, you want to disengage the blade part. Okay, so what you can do is take a screwdriver and then insert it in this position and then pop it open. Okay, it's pretty easy to pop off, and the mechanism is the same as the Bosch one, right? So we have the Mercedes one on one side, and then this is the Bosch one on my right hand. Okay, so basically I'll slide the Bosch one in there using this, going the same direction. So you'll notice that there is this bar here, right? And you can slide this here, slide it in. You'll hear the click sound to push the blade in. Okay, and then now the blade is in there, so secure, and you're done.